Hello, children. How are you all? Hope you're all fine and safe. I'm Mrs. Rani, your science teacher. Before starting today's class, I wanted to thank all my lovely children. Send me beautiful messages, Teachers' Day wishes, cards. Many children made beautiful craft works and sent in the videos. I was so happy, children. I would like to say again, thank you so much. Okay, today's session we are going to start revision number 2, that is lesson number 3 and 4 objectives. Today we are going to revise. Okay, children, shall we start today's session?
Lesson number 3, book exercise, page number 122. Roman letter 1, fill in the blanks with the suitable words. They have given some answers here and we are going to read out the fill in the blanks and we are going to find out the correct answer here exactly and you are going to write the answers. Okay, I'll read out the first one. A dash is needed to make a stationary object move. We learned those things, isn't it? What you need to move an object? You need a force, isn't it? So write force. Force is here. So I'm marking here 1. Force spelling F-O-R-C-E. Force. Right? Okay. Second one. The force applied with the help of muscle is called dash force. With the muscle, help of with the muscle means what is that? Muscular force, isn't it? So write down this is muscular. Spelling M-U-S-C-U-L-A-R. Muscular. Okay, when you are learning also, split the words like this. Split the letters. 3-letter words or 2-letter words, how it will be sound, the phonetics, how it sounds, isn't it? I taught you this with the hard words, isn't it? So muscular energy. So you can split like that and learn. So it will be easy for you to remember. Okay, children? Okay, third one. Dash and dash are known as forces. What are known as forces, children? Push or a pull, isn't it? Correct? So answers here, 2 dash is there. So 2 answers we are going to find out here. First one is push, P-U-S-H, push. Next is pull, P-U-L-L, pull. Okay, push and pull. Next one, the reason for the fruits to fall from the tree is, I have taught you this with a few examples in the video, isn't it? You remember, children? What is that? Why? Because the fruits are coming down. Even if you are playing a football, a throw ball, whatever it is, whatever you are throwing upwards, it will come down only. Because of what force? Gravitational force, isn't it? So gravitational force spelling is here. We are going to write here gravitational force, G-R-A-V-I-T-A-T-I-O-N-L, gravitational force, F-O-R-C-E, gravitational force. Okay, children? Okay, finally, fifth one. Force changes the dash and dash. We have learned in the effects of force, isn't it, children? So, force can change the speed and direction, correct? So, speed and direction. Speed spelling, what is speed spelling? S, P, E, E, D. Speed. Direction. D-I-R, E-C-T-I-O-N, direction. Okay, children? So, this is the first Roman letter fill-ups. It's in the reader. Okay. And apart from this fill-ups, I have given you few more fill-ups in the class works. You remember that? This is extra fill in the blanks which I have given from the content. Okay. So when you are learning the fill-ups or any 1 marks, this may come in any form. Name the following or choose the correct answer, fill in the blanks. Okay. Match the following. Concept is important, children. Learn with the questions, and then only you can answer the correct questions, right? So when you are learning with the question, you can understand the total concept. Okay, children? Okay, here we have this 3 fill in the blanks, which is extra. When an object moves from one place to another is called motion, right? Next one, change in position of an object is called movement. Okay, action is the motion which gives a required result. Match the following. This we have written with the classwork. You remember that? All the forces, all 5 types of forces I have given here. An example of 5 forces we have written here. Isn't it? Some examples, right? First one, muscular force, cycling. Cycling is the example for muscular force. Mechanical force, mixer grinder. Frictional force, carom board. Magnetic force, attracts iron. Gravitational force, apple falling from tree. Okay, these are the 5 different types of forces and example of these forces. If you learn this match the following exactly with the question and answer example, even if it is coming in the question form, you can answer this easily. Understood, children? Now we are moving on to the lesson number 4, book exercise, page number 134. True or false? When we boil water, bacteria are destroyed. We learned about the boiled water's benefits, isn't it? So bacteria, germs, all are getting destroyed because of when you are boiling the water, isn't it? So it's a true one. Okay, true statement. Second one, idli is cooked by the process called steaming. Yes, I have shown you some pictures, isn't it? Images, and you saw some videos, isn't it? The GIF I have played, the how the steaming method the idli is getting cooked, right? So this is also true. And third one, thermometer is used to measure pressure. False. Thermometer is used to measure what, children? Temperature, not pressure, right? So it is a false statement. Fourth one, refrigerator helps to keep things cold. Yes, true only. Correct. When you're opening the fridge, you can feel the chillness, isn't it? So it's true. Garlic relieves hiccups and nausea. No, false. Ginger only we learned as a nausea. This is very helpful in the home remedy, isn't it? So garlic relieves the hiccups and nausea is a false. Garlic called as a poor man's antibiotic. You remember that questions we learned, isn't it? When you are learning itself, check with the other answer. Why the garlic they are given? If it is false, what for the garlic will be used? Like that you have to refer and learn. It will be easy for you to remember the other answer also. Okay, children? Sixth one. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Yes, true. Okay. This extra fill in the blanks in your classwork. In the 4th lesson classwork, I have given this from the content. I have formed the few fill in the blanks and I have given you. Okay. Okay. First one. Ginger helps to improve digestion. We have seen that in that ginger only helps to improve the digestion. Okay. Second one. Turmeric is a common anti-infectant and it helps to heal wounds. Okay. Third one. Cloves helps to relieve toothache. Fourth one. Asafoetida improves digestion. Fifth one. We cook idiyappam by steaming. Sixth one. Idli is a common breakfast of Tamil Nadu. With this Roman letter, we are completing today's revision. Okay, children. In next video, I am going to revise the answer the following and detail answer. Okay, children. Please complete the revision portion. Learn very sincerely. Then only you can attend your exam very well. Okay. In your test, you have to write down very neatly and sincerely, children. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.